Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akot Sandra once again. This time round, we are going to be dealing with a PowerPoint presentation, and this will be acting as an introduction video to the PowerPoint presentation. So basically, we're going to be dealing with the terms, the basic terms, the keywords that you're going to be finding in this presentation. So I've already placed some folder of the PowerPoint terms that we're going to be dealing with. When we look at the PowerPoint terminologies, we want to make them in the easiest way possible. So we have placed the terms using the Microsoft Word. We have written them in the Microsoft Word so that you can read them, then share them in the Microsoft presentation beside. So in our first PowerPoint terminology, which is a slide, a single page or screen in a PowerPoint presentation. So when you come to this Microsoft presentation layout, we shall come to home. When we come to home, we find out that they're written here slides. There is new slide. So if we first come and see the slides. So a slide, they said, is a single page or screen in a PowerPoint presentation. When you look at all these kind of slides, we try out one. First take this. So when you look at this, it's a single page or a screen in a PowerPoint presentation. So this is what we call a slide, where I think it's where we are going to be putting all our information, the ones we would want to present, and according to the PowerPoint presentation, in case these presentations that are supposed to be done to a public or something, this first slide shows the general the general thing you're going to be talking about in the content. So this is where in most cases we put the introduction and the text mainly about what you're going to be discussing about in the other slides. So when we look at the second PowerPoint terminology, have a slide master. So when you talk about a slide master is a slide that controls the over design and layout of a slide. So in a slide master, you make a slide master, like you tap on the icon of the slide master, go under view, the icon view. So there are these options here. There is slide master, handout master, but in this case you are interested in the slide master. So you come tap on it. So this is a slide master. The one that anything that we put here, anything that we put here in form of colors, in form of those animations, is what appears in every slide. Like literally everything that we put here applies in all slides that we would have created and we are dealing with. That's a definition of a master slide. So we first close the view. So when we head back this side, our third one is a theme, a predefined set of colors, fonts and effects that give a consistent look to the presentation. Like a set of colors according to the user's will, font, and the effects that give a consistent look to the document, the work that has been created on a specific slide. But this theme can also be found under when you tap on this, then you head to this icon. For the theme, we can find it here when you tap on it. So this is generally what a theme means. They've said here that a predefined set of colors. When you look at these different colors in these different theme boxes, or they can also be called slides, because this general appearance that is placed here, it is general appearance that is placed in the whole slide. So literally you can choose here according to your specific likes, preferences in these colors here. So this gives an overview of a set of colors. Set of colors are these very colors you see here. Then font, like there they have appeared, they have arranged them. That's the font. The effects that give a consistent look to our presentation. With these effects, like the arranged and general appearance of this text. Yeah. So that's our theme that you're going to be heading to. We first close this master slide. So when you head to the fourth one, which is the layout, arrangement of text, images, and other elements on a slide. Arrangement of text. So when you look at this slide here, if you close this, when you look at this slide, the arrangement of text, in case you have written here your information about something, like the arrangement, like there you have put it, is what you call a layout. The images you have put in the background, maybe the pictures you have put this side, that's generally the layout of a text, the layout of a slide. Everything that you have placed on this area of a slide, that's generally a layout. So when you go to the transition, the visual effects, visual literally means seeing the effects that you see that there is a difference in the slide. Like this slide here is just stable. So when you look at some differences that I'll be going through them, the transition, the visual effect that occur when moving one slide to another. So when you go to this icon of transitions, here the transition effects. So when you look at all these transition effects, they give effects according to the type of text you have. There are exciting ones, the others that are cool. So these are the effects that we shall be going through them like practically in our next video. So please don't miss to see those, to see how the effects work about. So, but these are the transitions that we have seen as the visual effects that occur when moving one slide to another. Literally, they occur while moving one slide to another. So our 60th one, there is animations. Effects applied to individual elements on a slide, such as the text or images that create movement or emphasis. So when you come to the animations, we shall come here to this icon. Then these are the animations of appear, fade. It's kind of related to this transition, just that in transition it occurs when moving one slide to another. So when you look at the more animations and you see how they look like. But anyway, these are the animations that were given to us, like as a sample of how animations would appear. But how they work, they will be in our next video after this. So our next one is the placeholder. Let's close that. When you go to the placeholder, a designated area in a slide layout for content like text, images, or videos. So this placeholder, when they say a designated area in a slide layout for content like text, images, or videos, so I think this really, you can apply it according to the user's choice and preference. After putting here text and you want to put an image that is related to the text, you can put it in a place that you can also put it in the background. You can also put it in space here, that like the remaining position on the slide. You can also put it around here, like it is just okay, a placeholder. Now this one depends on the user's choice and preference. So that's how we're going to be using the placeholder. Then when you go to the bullet points, the list of items displayed with bullet symbols to organize the information. For bullets, we shall see them under home. shall get them here. As you see, we have tapped on the icon and it has even brought bullets. So we shall tap on this. So to tap on these bullets, we have to first make the slide active. Like there we have made it here. So we come and tap on this. So these are the different kinds of allocations, like when you want your text to appear in a better way. But this first one are the bullets we are talking about. A list of items displayed with bullet symbols to organize the information. The function of these bullets is generally to organize the information and the text that you are dealing with, so it appears in an organized way. So those are the bullets where we find them in the home. Then we get them under this, where we get a different kind of bullets. And we find that after tapping on this, the name bullets comes on its own. Then you have to tap that to get the different bullets that you want to use in a document, to organize them in a way that they can appear in an organized way. Then we head to the slideshow. Slideshow, a presentation mode that displays slides in sequence of an audience. Slideshow literally, like in an easy language, means like the movement of slides one after the other in a sequence for an audience, like the first one that has the introduction, then that has the next after the work, then they move in that kind of sequence according to the user's will. So this is the icon of slideshow. When we look at this is how you're going to be dealing with a slideshow. Show type, you want to present it in any of these. You want to, like, this one is generally like you want to edit the slideshow that you want to deal with from one to this. This one is just a general editing of the slideshow that you want to deal with. But a slideshow in general, it is a presentation mode that displays slides in a sequence of an audience. According to the audience, how you're going to be moving with the slides. Of course, you can't start from the conclusion, then go to the introduction. They'll move in a sequence, like simultaneous, like from the first to the second and so on. So when you go to this note pen, a section where presenters can add notes for their reference during the present. So for this 10th one, the note pen, there's a section where presenters can add the notes. So we shall go to view. Then we find the notes page here. So this is a notes page. You just add text, and then after adding the text according to the reference during the presentation, reference can involve those online things. They can also involve the specific books with the pages, writers, and so on. So this is where we add the text. But to put it in the or to add to slides, we're literally going to be doing it during the saving, and that's how we're going to be attaching it to our specific slides that you would want it to be on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. Anything that may be missing in the video, can put it in the comment section. Then in my next videos, there will be next. And about the presentation of these terminologies, in my next videos, we shall be doing them practically. This is just an overview of what you're going to be doing in the next video. Thanks for watching.